Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to take a computer screenshot. This will be a super duper easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a keyboard right here, and this is a laptop, but this process will work on pretty much any laptop or any computer as long as it has a keyboard that looks like this. The specific button that you're going to be looking for is the print screen button. So if you can see right here, right over here where my finger is, it actually says it's a short form right over there for print screen. I'm going to zoom in to show you right there, okay? So it's a short form for print screen right over there, okay? Now on your keyboard, if it's a full-size keyboard, that might have its own key, but on a laptop keyboard that's more compact like this, it's going to kind of be involved with another key, like two keys, two options in a single key. What you need to do is you need to click that button. Now, if it's its own key, you just click the button, okay? And I'll tell you what to do next. But if it's within a key, so you can see this has a box around it, which means that I'm going to have to push the boxed button, which is function. I'm going to have to hold function and push that key. So you want to click print screen, okay? Once you've clicked print screen, what the computer does is it takes a screenshot of whatever's on the screen and it copies it to your clipboard. Then you can go into your favorite software and you can paste that screenshot. So if I were to click print screen and if this laptop was on, it would copy whatever was on the screen to my clipboard. Then I could go into Paint or Photoshop or anything else, any of your favorite photo editing or photo pasting programs, any photo editing software, and you can paste that in. And the shortcut for paste is Control V. So if you click print screen, it's going to copy whatever is on the screen. That's how you take a screenshot. And then it's in your clipboard, and then you need to place it somewhere. So you're going to either right click and click paste, or you can click Control V, hold Control down and click V, and it's going to paste it for you. And that's how to take a screenshot on a computer of a computer screen. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.